Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Abdurrahman and I'm sharing 3 videos every day. And if you want to support me, you can subscribe and you can click the link button so you can be informed. You will be informed when I share a video on YouTube so you can watch it directly. And you can inform your friends who are interested in learning Chinese. Okay, guys, today we will continue that I divided 2 parts this section because we have new character here we didn't learn before. So let's start. And first, we don't have pinyin. So what are we doing if we don't have pinyin? We just put the tones on the characters. Let's do that. Here, ta, ta, shu, shu for tone. 老师 here ta ma doesn't have tone ta bush here bu we read second tone but we write like fourth tone 老师学生 here 生 doesn't have tone but here we will have here 大夫 means doctor 大夫 here we will learn new things 大夫 but before we learn this character 大 you remember 大为 大为 here we read like 大 here 大 okay it's new some of you some characters has two sounds. For example, da, die, like this. But these are not too much, so you don't have to be afraid. You will get used to. Here, when you see this character, you should read like die, die fu. But when you see this, you should read like da wei. Here da, die. Okay, don't worry about that. You will get used to. And here, 留学生 留学生 here 生 has first one here doesn't have 留学生 here 你妹妹我朋友 留学生 here foreigner student 朋友 means friend here 你朋友我朋友 my friend 你朋友 your friend 我哥哥 my elder brother. Okay, first I will write these sentences. 他是老师吗? Is she a teacher? 他是 third one 老师吗? 老师吗? Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher? And later 他不是老师. 他不是老师. She is not a teacher. 他 fourth tone, but we will read this here second tone. Why? Because we have here shoe. Because shoe is fourth tone. If there is fourth tone after bu, we should read bu like second tone. 不是老师，老师，老师。She is not a teacher. She is not a teacher. 不是 not. She is not a teacher. 她是学生。她是学生。She is a student. 她是学生。她是second tone 学生。学生。She is a student. She is a student. 她是学生。She is a student. Okay. So I will tell you how can we use these words in this sentence. These words we use here. For example, 她是大夫吗? Is she a doctor? 她不是大夫. She is not a doctor. 她是留学生. 她是留学生. She is a foreigner student. Later, 她是你妹妹吗? Is she your sister? 她不是我妹妹. She is not my sister. 她是我朋友. She is my friend. Okay. I will write the characters here because there are new characters. But I won't write all the sentence because if I write the video getting longer, so I don't want you bored. Here, first, 大夫他是大夫吗? Is she a doctor? 她不是大夫。她不是大夫。She is not a doctor. 她是留学生。留 second tone. 学生留学生。She is a foreigner student. Okay. But you will write all sentence. For example, I just write these words, but you will write 他是大夫吗? 他不是大夫。他是留学生。You should write this like this. And 她是你妹妹吗? 你妹妹。她是你妹妹吗? 她不是我妹妹。We should change this 我 because 她是你妹妹吗? He is asking to me, is she your sister? I should answer like she's not my sister. So I will change 你 to 我。她不是我妹妹。妹 她不是我妹妹。She's not my sister. 她是我朋友。我朋友朋友 means friend. It's 约to 约 come together become the 朋友 means friend. 她是我朋友。She is my friend. And let's press the other one. 她是 okay, I will clean here. 她是你朋友吗？ Is she your friend? 她是你朋友吗？你朋友吗？她不是 We change this again. 我朋友她不是我朋友。Is she your friend? She's not my friend. So 她不是我朋友。朋友她不是我朋友。She's not my friend. 她是我哥哥。Yeah, okay, I will tell it. 她是我哥哥。她是我哥哥。哥哥 means elder brother. But here you should change this style too. It should be like this because this style is female, she. Google is he, male. So we should change this one. 他是我哥哥. He is my elder brother. Okay, guys. I hope you understand this section. If you have any problem, you can write on comment section. I will answer all of them. Thanks for watching. See you next video.